He's messed up.
He's grabbing something.
Don't pick him up and get bit. Let me look at it. He'll scratch you here. He looks like he's ready to get you with his back legs. He's gonna scratch you, dude. Are you mad, little guy?
It's coming up his eyes.
He don't want to see it. Man, you're so crazy.
Molly, get back. Oh shit.
He's mad.
Molly.
There you
Molly.
go.